Most founders think linearly. I need to raise money to grow, but smart founders think, what revenue can I generate now to fund the growth that makes fundraising inevitable? Here's the framework. Identify your fundraising timeline. For example, it might be 6 months from now. Calculate your fundraising gap, monthly burn minus the current revenue. And then design the bridge revenue streams to fill that gap. Let's understand this in terms of an example. A B2B SaaS founder needed 500K in 6 months. Instead of just burning cash, they launched a consulting arm using their expertise, which is 15K per month, created a paid certification program that is $8K per month, and offered implementation services of 12K per month. So the result was that they had 35K monthly bridge revenue, reducing their funding need from 500K to 300K, and they raised at a higher valuation because they showed resourcefulness. The investor psychology advantage. Here's something crucial. How you generate cash flow affects how investors see you. Investors don't just look at your cash flow numbers, they look at the quality of that cash flow. High quality indicators are recurring predictable revenue, customers pay upfront, low churn rates, and multiple revenue streams. The red flags out here are one time project revenue, high customer concentration, inconsistent collections, and revenue that requires constant new customer acquisition. So, when you optimize your cash flow quality, you're not just improving your business, you're improving your fundability. Next is your 30-day cash flow challenge. Audit your cash conversion cycle, map every step from customer commitment to cash collection. Test one graduated pricing option, offer a longer commitment with meaningful incentives, and identify one revenue bridge. What can you monetize now while building your core products? The goal? Extend your runway by at least 2 months through cash flow optimization alone. Remember, cash flow isn't just about survival, it's about creating leverage. The founders who master these advanced cash flow strategies don't just build better businesses, they raise capital from a position of strength.